Today is a great day because the cryptocurrency that my fiancé created 1 month ago have started to gain momentum, and we are going to snipe that cryptocurrency before the price get to the top using automated Pumpbot. In case you are curious to know how my fiancé made that cryptocurrency, there's going to be a link here in the description. Click on the link to watch that video. But I am shy to introduce this video to you because my fiancé only added 2 BNB as the liquidity of that cryptocurrency. So while watching the video, make fun of her in the comment section for adding only 2 BNB as the liquidity of that cryptocurrency. In case you don't know me, my name is Tom, aka High Frequency Market Killer 100 pips a day. In this channel, I prove to you that you can make money in the financial market automatically, no matter who you are. If that is your cup of tea, then consider clicking on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of my videos. At the end of this video, you'll be able to set up your Pumbot and also get yourself a VPS in which you can host your Pumbot 24 hours in 7 days. And at the end of 5 days, you'll be able to make massive profits. Put it in the comment section how much profit that you have made using this Pumbot. And if at any given point you've installed this bot and followed the instruction, and at the period of 5 days you were unable to make profit, still put it in the comment section. And if I read up to 5 comments of different individuals stating that they were unable to make profit after following this instruction, then I will personally renounce being a high frequency market killer 100 pips a day. Without further delay, let's dive in. So, in the video I introduced to you about my fiancé, I stated that centralized exchange do not offer the kind of data I can use to detect whenever a cryptocurrency is about to pump. So the mission was to execute the trade in decentralized exchange. But there was a problem with this. The problem was that after paying swap fee, you still need to pay gas fee. And the worst part is that you will need a wallet with different fundings for each of the blockchain. But I found a way to aggregate the data from a blockchain and then execute the trade in a centralized exchange. What's good is that I have merged this trading bot with the previous HFT bot. So this means that you'll be having 3 bots in one interface, which is going to be HFT day trading as well as position trading and Pumbot in one interface. If this makes sense to you, click on the like button and let me see cool in the comment section. Right now, I am going to navigate to my computer to show you how much profit I have earned for the few days of running this trading bot. On my portfolio manager bot on Telegram, you can see that trade was executed in a symbol known as stopwatch USDT at this price, and the trade volume was 200 USDT. This was the received amount, and this is the take profit that the bot set on this execution, and this is the stop loss. This trade was executed by my DAC Pumbot automatically. You are going to see a buy history in stopwatch USDT right here, and this is the amount that was bought, that was executed by this trading bot. And if I scroll up, the trade volume was 200 USDT. But look at the volume that is sold, 438.796 USDT. This is about $238 of profit. This is bam, this is incredible. And if I navigate to the chart of stopwatch, and this is where the trade was executed, and if I drag my measurement from this point to this point, you are going to see the percentage of the take profit. So it means the trade was executed at this point and the trade was sold off at this point. The trade was executed in a symbol known as ARUSDT. This is the price that was executed, and this is the trade volume, and the take profit was set at 25.27%. On my KuCoin exchange, you are going to see ARUSDT. You are going to see the sell amount here. Bam! This is ARUSDT. Remember, we bought $200 worth of AR, and look at what we sold. This is incredible. This is bam. This is bam. So if I navigate to the chart of AR, you are going to see that trade was executed at this point and the trade was sold off at this point. If I drag the measurement, you are going to see that that's exactly the percentage, 25%. You can also see that trade was executed in a symbol known as RFOXUSDT. And you can see the first selling is $118 and the second is $118. Remember, we bought with $200, so this is approximately 37 USDT of profit. You can also see that trade was executed in a symbol known as primal USDT at this price. So this is primal USDT. And if you sum this up, you are going to see that the profit is about 111 USDT. This is incredible. If you sum up the total profit I have made from this trading bot just by testing it, you are going to see that the total profit is about 434 USDT. This is amazing. 219.75% just by running this bot in few days. During the time I was testing this bot, some people were also interested, so they asked me to send them a copy of this bot so that they can also install it and see how it performs. After they have run this bot for a few days, I got a feedback from them. Brenin from United States said, "I am about $90 in last 26 hours, just like you said. Do you want to make up to or more than $90 in the period of 26 hours just like Brenin?" Jackson from London said, "I just made 350 USDT from the bot you gave me to run last week. Thank you, sir. More power to you." Ikan from India said, "Sir, I've made over $4,000 so far this week with your crypto bot." Etoroja from Nigeria stated, "Hi Tom, I have already made 65 USDT today. Now it is your turn to give me a feedback just like these people." At the time of watching this video, this bot might still be available for you for free to download. If it is not available for you at the time of watching this video, then you will definitely have to subscribe to the bot. If this is the kind of content you like to see, please click on the subscribe button and like this video. Do not forget to comment how much profit you have made from this bot. And in the next video, I am going to show you how you can install and set up this your bot. I am more than happy to get to that one, so see you there.